everyone. A very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Good. Okay. So now just tell me what is your school name? Tell me your school name. Yes, first you fold your hands, stand straight and say my school name is Gokuldas Public School, Khargon. Very good. Now, which class do you study? Yes, I am studying in LKG. Okay, so your class name is LKG. Okay, now which period is going on today? Which period is going on? Math period is going on. In math period, today I am going to start between number. Okay, I am going to start between numbers. So, are you ready for between numbers? Okay. The heading is between numbers. In your previous session, we had learned after number. What is the after number? Okay, now first you will make number line. Okay, on your notebook, first you will make number line, then you will start between number. Okay, so make one slipping line on your notebook. Okay, so here we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 1, 0, 10. Okay, we will make number line from 0 to 10. Okay, we will make number line from 0 to 10. Then we start between numbers. In your previous session, we had learned after numbers. What is after numbers? Yes, after number of 1 is number 2. After number of 2 is number 3. So these are after number. Now we will learn between number. What is between number? Between number means beach wala number. Okay, between number means beach wala number. So look here. First example number A. Okay, on your notebook, example number A. Number 1. Next slipping line, and here we write number 3. Now, what is the between number of 1 and 3? Okay, what is the between number of 1 and 3? Here we write which number? Check your number line. Here 1, 2, 3. So, what is the between number of 1 and 3? Look here. Number 2. So, 1, 2, 3. This is the series. So, between number of 1 and 3 is number 2. 2 is the between number. Means 1 and 3 के बीच वाला number, between number. Okay, done. Number 1. Now move to next example. Example number B. Okay. Next example number B is, now tell me what is the between number of 6 and 8. What is the between number of 6 and 8? Check your line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 and 8 between number of 7. So here we will put 7 number. So between number of 6 and 8 is number 7. Here we write number 7. Okay. So 7 is the between number. Now next example number C. Okay. Next is the number is 4 and the number is 6. What is the between number of 4 and 6? Check your line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 and 6 between number is number 5. So here we put number 5. 4, 5, 6. 5 is the between number of 4 and 6. Okay. So the series is 4, 5, 6. Note down on your notebook. First you just write heading between numbers. Then we will make number line. This is your number line from 0 to 10. Then we'll start example ABC. Now move to the next example number D. Write with me and please note down on your math notebook. Next is write number 8, then slipping line, then write 1, 0, 10. Now tell me what is the between number of number 8 and number 10. What is the between number? Check your number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 and 10. Which one is between number of 8 and 10? Number 9. So here we will put number 9. 8, 9, 10. Complete the series. 8, 9, 10. Between number of 8 and 10 is number 9. Okay. Now next example number E. Okay. If you have no space, take new page. For next example, write here 3, slipping line, 5. Okay. So now tell me what is the between number of 3 and 5. What is the between number of 3 and 5? Start from 0. Start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between number of 3 and 5 is number 4. Okay. So in this line we'll put number 4. 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Between number of 3 and 5 is number 4. Return. Now next example number F. Okay. Example number F is number 2, then slipping line, then write number 4. Now tell me what is the between number of 2 and 4. What is the between number of 2 and 4? Check here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So between number of 2 and 4 is number 3. Here we will put number 3. So 2, 3, 4. Between number of 2 and 4 is number 3. Now next G. Okay. 9. So what is the between number of 9 and 11? 9, 10, 11. 11, 12, 13. Okay. So what is the between number of 9 and 11? Number 10. Here we will put 1, 0, 10. 9, 10, 11. Now next, number H. Example number H is 0, slipping line and 2. So what is the between number of 0 and 2? Look here, 0 and 2. Between number of 0 and 2 is number 1. So here we put number 1. 0, 1, 2. All example for between numbers. So please note down on your math notebook. After this, take out your book, grow with numbers. Okay, open page number 4949. Open page number 4949. Okay, write after numbers. Done between numbers. Open page number 4949, write after numbers. So, on number 1, example number 1 is 9. What is the after number of number 9? Tell me, what is the after number of number 9? Yes, after number 9, number 10 will come. So, here we will put 1, 0, 10. Take out your notebook also and open the page counting numbers from 1 to 70 and check after numbers and tell me what is the after number of that number. Okay, so open your notebook, counting notebook, and open the page numbers from 1 to 70. Okay. Now next 14. 1 4 14. What is the after number of 1 4 14? Check your counting. Notebook, check your notebook. What is the after number of 1 4 14? Yes. After number of 1 4 14 is 1 5 15. So here we will put 1 5 15. Okay. Now next 2 6 26. What is the after number of 2 6 26? 2 6 के बाद क्या आएगा? बाद में आने वाला नंबर. आफ्टर नंबर मीन्स बाद में आने वाला नंबर. So after 2 6 26, 2 7 27 will come. So here we put 2 7 27. Okay. In this block we will put 2 7 27. Now next 3 8 38. What is the after number of 3 8 38? After number of 3 8 38 is 3 9 39. So in this block we will put 3 9 39. Now next 5 1 51. What is the after number of 5 1 51? After number 1, number 2 and 5 write as it is. 5 1 51 after 5 2 52. Start counting and tell me the after numbers. After 51 52. Now next 5 4 54. What is the after number of 5 4 54? 51 52 53 54 55. So after number of 54 is 5 5 55. Okay. Next 63. After number of 63 is, yes, after 63 check your number, counting numbers. After 63 64 will come. So here we write 64 64. 63 64. Next 75 75. What is the after number of 75? Okay, first you check this number. After number 5, number 6 will come. 1 2 4 5 6. Then 7 as it is. So 75 after 76 will come. Okay, 75 76. Now next 82. What is the after number of 82? First, you just check this number. After number 2, number 3 will come. And this number write as it is. Okay, so 82, 83. 94. 94, 94. What is the after number of 4? Number 5 and 9 write as it is. So 94 95. Okay. Next number 7. After number 7, number 8 will come. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So So after number 7, 8 will come. 7, 8. Okay. Next, 1, 5, 15. After 15, which number will come? After number 5, number 6 will come, and 1 as it is 15, 16. So after 15, 16 will come. Next, 2, 5, 25. After number of 2, 5, 25 is, after number 5, 6 and number 2 as it is. So 25, 26. Okay, after 25, 26 will come. You start counting 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So after number of 25 is 2, 6, 26. Next, 3, 5, 35. What is the after number of 3, 5, 35? First, write after number of number 5. What is the after number of number 5? Number 6, and 3 write as it is. 35, 36. So after number of 35 is 3, 6, 36. Now next, 4, 3, 43. After 43, which number will come? After number 3, number 4, and 4 write as it is. 44. 43, 44. After number of 43 is 44, where we will write 4, 4, 44. Like this. Okay, next. 5, 8, 58. What is the after number of 58? After number 8, here we will put number 9 and 5 write as it is. 58, 59. After number of 58 is 5, 9, 59. Next, 60. After 60, which number will come? After number 0, number 1 will come. Check your number line. 0, 1, then 6 as it is. So after 60, 61 will come. Now next, 73, 73. What is the after number of 73? Yes, first after number of 3, number 4 will come, and 7 write as it is. So 73 after 74 will come. After number of 73 is 74. 84. What is the after number of 84? After number 4, number 5 will come, and 8 write as it is. So 84 after 85. After number of 84 is 85, 85. Now last, 92, 92. What is the after number of 2? 3 and 9 write as it is. So 92 after 93 will come. So all are after numbers. Write on your notebook. If you have no notebook, if you have no book, you write on your notebook. So please note down from the board. chapter numbers. Now period is over. Okay, so bye bye, have a nice day.